Hi everyone. I just want to go over number 4 with you all on page 13 for rational word problems in your Unit 3 notes. Let's take a look at what it says. It says a tank can be filled up by one pipe in 20 minutes and by another in 30 minutes. How long will it take both pipes to fill the tank? So remember, the first thing that we want to do is we want to write a let statement for what it is that we want to find out, right? So we want to figure out how long it will take both pipes to fill the tank. So we're going to say let X represent the time it takes for both pipes to fill the tank, and this is in minutes, okay? Now, we want to write a general statement, and our general statement or our general equation can't have the word time in it. So essentially, we're talking about like how fast the tank can be filled up, the rate at which the tank will be filled up. So we'll say that the rate for pipe 1 plus the rate for pipe 2 is the rate for both of them together. We know that that is the rate in which both of them will fill it up together. You just add the two speeds together, okay? So for example, if pipe 1 can fill up the tank in, let me re-say that. So for example, in pipe 1, let's say pipe 1 could fill up 10 tanks in 2 minutes. I'm just making up random numbers. So if they can fill up 10 tanks in 2 minutes, that means that their rate is 5 tanks per minute, right? If pipe 2 can fill up 6 tanks in two minutes, that means that they can fill up 3 tanks per minute. Well, that means that altogether they can fill up 8 tanks per minute. That's the together rate. Okay. So let's go ahead and make our chart now. So we have to put 3 rows actually here. So row 1, pipe 1, pipe 2, and then both of the pipes together. And remember, the rate is going to be the final column. Well, to find the rate, we need to see how many jobs we're doing and then just divide it by however long it takes them to do it. Like the example that I said where it was 10 pipes in 2 minutes, that means that they can do 5 pipes per minute, okay? So here's the, we've done most of the tricky part. However, the one other thing that you need to be careful of is we're talking about how many tanks each pipe can fill, excuse me. So the first tank can fill up let me rephrase that. The first pipe can fill up 1 tank in 20 minutes. So that means that their rate is 1/20th of a tank per minute. That's their rate, 1/20. The second pipe can fill up 1 tank in 30 minutes. So their rate is 1/30. Together, the 2 pipes can fill up 1 tank in X minutes because X represents the time for both. So that means that the rate for both would be 1/X. So here now we can just fill this in. Rate 1 would be 1/20. Rate 2 would be 1/30, right? That's where we get this from right here. And then the together rate, the rate for both of them together is this 1/X right here. And then we would solve it, but we're just talking about our setups in the notes. So that's it for this video. Email me if you have any questions, and I will see you in class tomorrow. Bye.